Okay, we're back. Let's add some stars for Cosmic Cody to collect. So go to the plus button to add a new object. Go on text, add an emoji, add a star emoji. And let's add a new rule to the star. Alright, now this first rule that I want to add at a star has to do with the movement of the star. Okay, so when play button is tapped, I want the star to spin around. Now earlier on I've created a star spin ability over here. Can you see it? Now let's just delete that because I want to do it together with you. So I tap on the abilities, hold on it until I see the X button, and then I tap on the X button to delete. And now I tap anywhere else on the gray part just to confirm. You also notice that I have deleted a lot of my other abilities that Hopscotch gave us by default. That's because I want to keep my workspace clean. Alright, so let's now create a new ability together. Look at the top here, my abilities, there is a plus button next to it. So tap on that and it will say, name your new ability. I'll call that Star Spin. Create. And then I bring Star Spin into here. When a new ability is created, it is empty. So I have to put in other instructions into the ability. Now I want my star to spin around, so I'll go to movement, put in turn, and I put in 5 degrees over there. Now, and then I'll bring that inside. Now the other thing is that I want it to turn all the time. Okay, all the time means I need it to repeat again and again, never ending, forever. Okay, so this is why I put in the forever there, and I'm done with the star spinning. So I have star spin, and when I play it, it spins around. Okay, let's go back to edit mode. The next thing that I want to do with a star is to code in something so that Cosmic Cody is able to collect it. Alright, so on the star, I tap on add new rule, and I say when this star bumps on Cosmic Cody, or you could also do when Cosmic Cody bumps on this star, there's no difference. Then I want it to, firstly I want it to disappear. Alright, now let's add a new ability over here. Let's say, call it hide. Create hide. Use that ability. And inside hide, I'll say set invisibility to 100%. Oops, that's not 100%. I want 100%. 100%. Okay. Now we could have just put set invisibility instead of creating a hide ability. But I want to put this set invisibility into hide because I want to make it easier for me to reuse. You are going to have a look later how we can so easily code with abilities. Okay, so now I have hide ability. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want it to play some sound, right, when Cosmic Cody collects it. So start sound, and maybe something like that. All right. Okay, so start sound, and am I done? Well, actually I'm not. Now because we're creating a game here, I want to have some points when Cosmic Cody collects the stars. So the next thing that I want to do is this. I'm going to go to values and say increase value. Now I'm going to tap on the top here until I see Cosmic Cody. So it says Cosmic Cody's values, and I will tap on new value here at the bottom, and I'll say stars. Done. Now I'll say increase value of Cosmic Cody stars by 1 whenever I collect a star. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, so here is what we're going to do, right? Get back to the rule. I want to make it easier, even easier for me to code. So I will create another new ability, and I'll call this ability stars, star collect. So earlier we have star spin, now I have star collect. Okay, put that new ability here. I'm going to drag everything inside. Alright. The next thing that we'll do is that we want to tell Cosmic Cody that when we start the game, he has 0 stars. So tap on Cosmic Cody, add new rule. And, oh, it doesn't have to be a new rule, so let me exit this. Tap here, when play button is tapped. Okay, first thing before I do anything else, I'm going to set the value of stars to 0. And this has to be the first thing. Okay, alright, so we are done. Now, let me test the code so far. Go to play mode, and when I move Cosmic Cody to the stars, it should disappear and play a sound. Alright, it disappeared. Go back to edit mode. Now, you didn't hear a sound because of some iPad issues, so let's not bother about that. You should be able to hear a sound on your own iPad. Now, let me add more stars, alright? Okay. Emoji, stars, done. Bring that star over here, add new rule, and watch carefully over here. Now, I want to put bumps, and I want to make sure that I'm working with the second star. So pick this one, all right, the second one, second star. Star, or Cosmic Cody bumps the second star. Okay, and star collect. And that's all I need to do. I don't have to add the same code again and again. All I need to do is to reuse the star collect ability. So I'm done. Right, I'm just opening here to let you see the instructions that's inside. Okay, I'm done. So let me add one more star. Let me add 3 more, right? Quickly add 3 more. Here I'm done. I'll just bring it here. Add new rule when bumps. And again, you want to make sure that you're working with the third star, which is over here, right? So tap it. And star collect, and I'm done. One more. Rule bumps, Cosmic Cody bumps the latest star. Done. Star collect. Okay, bring that there. Add one more. Bumps, Cosmic Cody bumps. Star. Oh my gosh, this is a black star. And do I want a black star? I don't want a black star. Okay, so let's go and delete that. Delete it. Delete forever. I want an emoji star. Okay. Cosmic Cody. Latest star, which is this one, alright? And okay, so I have 5 stars. Okay, you can go ahead and add a bit more, but I suggest you start with just 3 or 5 until the entire game is finished, then you can add more. Okay, let's play it, and we should be able to collect all. Okay, I see that the other stars are not spinning. I know why. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Okay, go to edit. Right, so what I need to do is this. So have a look here. When play button is tapped, star spin. Okay, I need to add this rule to all of them. So when play button is tapped, star spin. Right, make sure that all your stars have got two rules to them. So 2 rules. I need to add another rule to this one. When play button is tapped, star spin. Okay, this one, when play button is tapped, star spin. On the final one, when play button is tapped, star spin. Okay, now test it. Alright, they work. And okay, I'm done. Okay, let's move on to the next part.